माना हिमाचल और उत्तरांचल का पहाड़ों और ट्रैकिंग की दुनिया में बोलबाला है, मगर कहीं आप कुछ भूल तो नहीं रहे? दोस्तों, मैं बात कर रही हूँ तमिलनाडु में बसे कोडाईकनाल की। वो आसमान जो हर घंटे में नहीं, हर मिनट में बदलता है। I flew from Pune to Coimbatore in March. Not too cold, not too hot. Pleasant weather, perfect for exploring. I had a little time before departure, so I walked over to the 1800-year-old Arulmigu Sri Lakshmi Narasimha temple to seek blessings before the journey. I decided to take the TNSTC government bus from Ukkadam bus stand. Since I was traveling solo, it felt like the safer and honestly the smarter option. At 9:30 am, the bus rolled out of Coimbatore and around 4 pm I was finally in Kodaikanal. The roads were smooth and I genuinely have to appreciate TNSTC for the upkeep and punctuality of the buses. Instead of staying at Kodaikanal, I chose to stay at Dostal in Vattakanal. Best decision, away from the crowds and absolutely peaceful. And just a 2-minute walk from Altaf's cafe. Let's just say I stopped looking for restaurants after my first meal there. So let's say the first day, rather evening, was spent resting and jamming with my fellow Dostlers. Na hum tum चले टेढ़े मेढ़े से रस्तों पे नंगे पाँव रे, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म ये मंजिल. Check this out. Just 10 minutes earlier, it was all sunny. I went to take a bath. I came out and this is what I find. Completely foggy and misty. After finding myself inside the clouds, literally it was time to set foot on the ground and start exploring. The good thing, most of these attractions were within 10 to 12 kilometers of each other. First stop, La Salette Church, a pretty little church tucked away in the hills with that quiet, peaceful Kodaikanal vibe. Next up, Pillar Rock. Except I couldn't actually see the rock, just clouds, lots and lots of clouds. So I thought, fine, if the rocks won't show up, street food, fresh passion fruit and shopping will. And yes, don't forget to try Python, the local Kodaikanal drink. Thank God, by the time I visited Guna Caves, the fog had somewhat cleared. Originally called Devil's Kitchen, these caves became famous after the Tamil movie Guna was shot here. They are actually mysterious, foggy, and parts of them remain closed because they are actually dangerous. Then came the pine forest. These plantations were put up a century ago. The sight of umpteen number of pine trees standing majestically welcoming you in their world is no less than a nature's wonder. The forest has mushrooms rumored to be psychedelic, but guys, let's keep this trip memorable for its views, not the hallucinations.
Hi, we are from Kerala.
Ernakulam,
Kochi, Alappuzha, Kodai.
Pine forest in Kodaikanal. Nice place. So many ladies, boys, horse rides,
Enjoying
food, everything
in here.
Many will recommend viewpoints like Moa Point or Green Valley View. In my opinion, they are skippable, but I leave the decision to you. Day 3 was exploring few other new places like Vattakanal Falls. Honestly, Vattakanal Falls were neither exciting nor disappointing. Well, there wasn't much waterfall. If you're visiting specifically for the falls, come during the monsoon between July and September. Vadakkam, List Chocolate Factory.
First
Thank you. See, it is not difficult. She did not speak my language. I didn't speak her language. And she was able to guide me perfectly. You can see it's really not tough to communicate.
Tamil கத்துனா தான் நீங்க போக முடியும் மேல
Part cafe, part chocolate shop, part spice market, and yes, they even have the most amazing herbal creams. From there, I headed for Coker's Walk, one of the best places for valley views. And you know what? I was not disappointed.
सो आंटी विद द अम्ब्रेला, तो मैंने कहा आंटी मुझे प्लीज साथ में ले लो, एंड आंटी इज टेकिंग मी अलोंग. आंटी हिंदी ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂದಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ತಮಿಳ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ತಮಿಳ್.
You can also add Kodaikanal Lake to today's itinerary. Rent a bicycle, ride around the lake, and if you want to experience the tranquility of the lake, I suggest you visit in the evening. Velagavi village became one of my favorite experiences in Kodaikanal. About a 6-kilometer trek through dense forests, wildflowers, and lush greenery. The trail itself is half the fun. The village guide kept handing us random fruits, berries, and leaves to taste.
These flowers which are everywhere, Delhi, Pune, Mumbai. I got to know the buds were actually edible. Look at this. Check out my friend consuming them, and he's still alive. So that's the coffee bean, and I've been told it's sweet. How is it?
Not like what we expect Elaichi to be. Definitely not like Rajnigandha Silver Pearl.
Guys, we've reached that point wherein we're supposed to remove our shoes because there is a no footwear policy.
No one, and I mean no one, is allowed to wear any footwear here. A tradition that reflects the community's respect for the land and their sacred spaces. A local family welcomed us into their home for lunch.
Anna has given me this coffee. This is something that he's made at home. Whatever coffee that we are consuming has chicory in it. This is absolutely organic. My new friend from Velagavi. Dolphin's Nose was absolutely occupied with a lot of people. There were a lot of people here. Abhi koi bhi nahi, ek bhi nahi hai. Don't scare me, okay?
Yeah, why would I? I am myself scared.
I'm only getting scared. Okay, guys, I'm gonna stop here. No more stunts. Yeah. Okay, that is whose devil's nose I was saying. That is dolphin's nose. I would say please don't take any chances. दूर से enjoy करो. बहुत adventurous अपनी risk पे जाओ भाई. हम तो देख लिया. बहुत अच्छा है. Beautiful.
But you know what? This is a paragliding point. You can paraglide from here.
But I don't have a.
Just once.
Just once and never return.
कोडाईकनाल की मेन स्ट्रीम टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशंस कवर करने के बाद जब मन करे कहीं दूर निकल जाने का, तो पुम्बरा इज अ परफेक्ट डेस्टिनेशन फॉर दोज हु वांट टू एस्केप द क्राउड्स एंड एंजॉय द ट्रैंक्विलिटी एंड ब्यूटी ऑफ नेचर. Pumbara is an offbeat tourist destination in Kodaikanal, located at the heart of the Palani Hills, 18 kilometers from Kodaikanal. The small village is surrounded by stunning terrace landscapes and is quite famous for its colorful houses. Manavanur is a picturesque farming village with an altitude of 1,880 meters. You can visit the Manavanur sheep farm and get a glimpse into the world of sheep rearing amidst stunning natural beauty. Honestly, I found this place to be a bit of a tourist trap. कहाँ मैंने सोचा था कि इन sheeps के साथ कुछ नज़दीकियाँ बढ़ाएंगे, that I would get to cuddle them, play with them, लेकिन उनकी cuteness को मैंने दूर से ही enjoy किया. Nonetheless, it's a great place for horse riding. Manavanur Lake was an absolute treat for the eyes, the mind and the soul. While boating was available, I chose to simply relax by its tranquil shores. Manavanur completely charged me for my upcoming adventure at Kukkal.
कुक्कल जाना मेरी कोडाईकनाल ट्रिप की हाईलाइट थी. The Kukkal Lake, a serene canvas of floating water lilies and blooming lotuses, looked like something out of a dream. I was excited yet nervous. The reason was my homestay at Nomad's Abode. Although this homestay is no less than any nature lover's dream, यहाँ पहुँचना काफी challenging है. To reach this place, आपको कुकुल विलेज से लगभग 4 किलोमीटर डाउनहिल ट्रैक करना पड़ता है. And Kukkal itself is around 30 kilometers from Kodaikanal. ये जगह पूरी तरह से रिमोट है, completely disconnected from all the chaos and noise of the world. We have to really trek down. It's a treacherous terrain. I always say, अच्छी जगह जाने के लिए मेहनत तो करनी पड़ती है. Anna just told me कि ये पानी is very clean, you can drink it. कितना साफ है. Be mindful of what you get here, what you leave here, and what you're taking from here. Believe me, नहीं तो जो gods है ना बहुत गुस्सा होंगे. Nomad's Abode एक carpet of mountains और wilderness के बीच बसा है, with a perennial river flowing right next to the home. यहाँ zero light pollution है, which makes it perfect for sky gazing and fireflies on most nights. पावर ग्रिड से कनेक्टेड नहीं है, लेकिन सोलर सेटअप के थ्रू इंडोर लाइट्स का बेसिक अरेंजमेंट है. और पानी सब कुछ नेचर से, स्ट्रीम्स, रिवर्स, वाटरफॉल्स, यही सब सोर्स हैं. ऑल इन ऑल, नेचर्स हैंडलिंग एवरीथिंग आउट हियर. Trust me, it's elixir. I'm gonna go at least 10 years younger. That is where I was sometime back. This is where I spent my night. Last night was very dark, so it couldn't get recorded very well. But this is such a cozy place. Nomad's Abode कोई commercial stay नहीं है. ये एक self-built retirement home और passion project है, जहाँ विनय full time रहते हैं. Originally from Bangalore, विनय का minimalist और organic way of living, honestly, it's super inspiring.
It's good for
tasting
memory.
Brahmi.
Yeah.
Good for memory.
Chilies.
Yes.
Similar to Bhut Jalokia. Tree tomato plant.
This is ready.
Yes.
Can you pluck one? Because I wanted to show the viewers what this fruit is. They probably are not aware. Remove this top, so you can use a knife. I don't care. Inside, it's like this. You're just supposed to have the pulp.
You can have the seed also.
Yeah.
It's crunchy.
I eat it. Yes, yes. You don't have to. It's impossible to remove the two actually. So you have to have both. Same is the case with passion fruit.
Passion fruit, right?
Yes.
How is it? Sweet or sour?
This one is sweet and sour
Sweet and
both.
sour
Yes,
both.
it's like mango, no?
Right. Shish.
Okay, this is onion
Pungent
flour,
flavor.
and I've been told that this is edible too. Entire?
Yes.
Yeah, smells of onion. It's like eating onion. Spring onion actually. It's strong. Stronger than onion. I need to tell the viewers. So I tried the onion flour. It's really strong. I had to spit it out. Oh God, I can still feel the tingling in my throat, in my nose. Yeah. He is used to having that, and I think no wonder he's roaming around in a half sleeves and I'm wearing a sweater. This is a rosemary plant, and I just brushed my hands on it. Obviously through the video you cannot smell, but I am not lying, okay? This is amazing.
It's Parijata. It's also Shiva's favorite flower, they call it. We can make tea out of this as well. Very good for joint pain.
Kodaikanal is so much more than its famous viewpoints. Don't get me wrong, the tourist spots are beautiful, especially if you're short on time. But if you stay a little longer, walk a little farther, and slow down, you'll discover many more places like Velagavi and Kukkal, where people remind us that progress doesn't mean forgetting our roots and organic living isn't a trend, it's simply life. Sometimes the best journeys aren't about seeing more places, they're about seeing the world a little differently. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye.
I'm gonna really miss this. Finished. खत्म. अब बैठो मेरे साथ, सिर्फ बिस्किट के लिए नहीं आते हैं, ठीक है? अब खाया पिया और खिसके.